guys, it's Ninja Nathaniel. We've just woke up and now we're going to Blizzard Beach. Let's go. So guys, we've just finished dinner. We had chicken and burgers, and the burgers were the best. And now we're going to the lazy river. Now we're going to golf at Winter Wonderland. It'll be so good when I win. My mum came first, 1 place. So guys, now we're going to the hotel to go swimming. Let's go, because I'm boiling and the pool's freezing. So guys, we just got out the pool, we've had a shower, and we went to the room, and now we're in the car going for tea. We're going to have a takeaway. My mum and dad are going to have a Subway, and we just bought this and this. What do you think would be nicer? Write in the comments. Goofy candy, cotton candy, that, or chocolate coins, that. So, I'll see you guys later. So guys, now we've got a chocolate coin. Looks quite cool. So guys, we've just got back from the outlets. We got all this stuff. A Fortnite t-shirt, and it's really good. So like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.